Lot S168 is a 1967 Pontiac GTO with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine with 335 horsepower, an automatic transmission, and vintage air conditioning. And it bid to $52,000, but did not sell on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 39,770 miles, and the highlights are matching numbers: 400, 335 horsepower V8 engine, automatic transmission, his and hers shifter, silver exterior, black bucket seat interior, rally dash, vintage air conditioning, power steering, 336 rear axle ratio, front power disc brakes, Krager SS mag wheels, PHS documents, and protector plate. And this was a nice one with the Hurst his and hers shifter, and it has the Pontiac Historical Society documents. Unfortunately, it wasn't quite enough money for the seller, so he decided to take her back home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.